Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI.
It was time to replace the rear wiper blade on our BMW X5, and so we were very happy to get this replacement part. It's a genuine BMW part, so you know that it's going to fit perfectly and work just the way you want it to. This is so easy to install. Anybody can do this at home. It is such a quick fix. We had this done in about 15 seconds. It is literally lift the wiper blade, take off the old one, place the new one on, and you are good to go. So super simple and easy to get it done yourself. This works so well. It has a perfect fit. It doesn't screech along the windshield. It doesn't drag. It just does an awesome job at clearing the windshield when you need it. So we are very happy with this quick and easy project that we were able to do at home. So it's always satisfying to be able to do something yourself and also know that this is a genuine BMW part. It's going to be very high quality and it's going to last a long time.
So we're really happy with this replacement part, and that's my point of view.